Castelli Romani is a group of little towns southeast of the city of Rome. It's known for its wine, porchetta, and its Sagre, festivals where Romans and locals alike always find an excuse to celebrate something and connect with the nature. Today we're going to Rocca di Papa for the Chestnut Festival, or officially, Sagra delle Castagne di Rocca di Papa. To get there, you pass by Lago Albano, a smallish volcanic crater lake, pretty good for swimming in the summer. A couple of more turns, and you are at Rocca di Papa. Rocca di Papa is a little town built into a hill, with its cobblestone streets, its people, good food, and its festival. As usual, there is all sorts of junk here. Toys for children, guns, obviously never too far from the school. Like every proper Italian town, it has its church too, and it's a pretty one. In the meantime, they're burning coal and wood in Rocca di Papa, getting the fire ready for all those chestnuts. And where there is fire, there is smoke too. A lot of it. No problem, because you can always have some of that cold chestnut beer. Time for food. How about some cheese? They'll let you taste a bit of it. You pick the one you like, and they'll fix you a cheese sandwich like you never had before. There are all sorts of things to eat here, but when in Castelli Romani, porchetta is a must. You pay at the cash register, pick the extras you want with it. They heat it up a bit, and it's yours. And finally, time for some chestnuts. When you're done with your chestnuts, you simply slide all the junk off the table into a trash bag attached to it. A brief walk to burn some of that porchetta, a quick glance at the little town's quirky details. One last glimpse of Lago Albano, and off we go back to Rome.